Well, look who's in the sandbox. It's Pumpkin. Trick was in there. She scooted out before I could get the camera. And that's Gomez. And of course that's Danny in the background. I'm busy watching the other puppies too. That's Treat in the front. I don't have a zillion little water bottles, so I use the milk jugs. Okay, I'm trying to set the camera on the tripod. Hey, let go. No. No. Well, that's Trick in there now. And he left. He's Goblin. Everybody's at my feet. I have to put my feet up. That's Trick over there. Just testing out the water dish. He doesn't know what to make of it. Puppies! Hi, little Gomez. And that's Pumpkin and Goblin. Oh, Gomez just walked in the water dish. Where is everybody? I put my feet up and they disappeared. There's Boo. I don't know where everybody went to. Oh, they're over there. Oh, we're having a standoff. Goblin and Boo. I was looking for the There, I put my feet down and now they come at my feet again. Alright.